Good morning. A lot of talk about Bank of America this morning. I was surprised a little bit, but I mean, Bank of America is telling people that if your account has money in it and it's inactive for an extended period of time, which is, I think they mentioned 3 years or something I saw real quick, that money might be transferred to state custody. It won't be your money anymore. Or the account might get closed or whatever it might be, which I think it's kind of stupid. I mean, I don't know how that works. Do they try to contact you? Because every attempt should be made to contact the owner of the account. I mean, they might be deceased. Nobody knows. But if there's any connection with family members, anybody like that, preferably that money would go to their family members instead of state custody. You know, I understand 3 years is a long time, and if the account is inactive, there's no deposits, there's no withdrawals, or anything. It still doesn't make it right for the state to take over the money because it's not their money. That just doesn't sit right with me. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know the procedure of what's being done to find out if the owner still uses the account or not. I mean, if it's to the level of them sending a letter or two and maybe somebody moved or anything like that, and no other attempts are made to contact someone, because I think your bank has your phone number now, they have your address now. I mean, your social security numbers, all that other stuff. So if anything, even through the social security number, you can find someone if you really want to find them. You know, by credit card statements, by anything else that you might have, where if you want to find somebody and you're an institution like a bank, you can find somebody. And especially if it's an excessive amount of money, I mean, hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, I don't know. If somebody passes away, there could be different situations, nobody knows. But that in itself, just like I said, I mean, it doesn't sit right with me that they could just close your account like this with you putting your money in there, which you worked for or got it, you know, whichever way you got it. If it's a legal way, and they would close your account, that just doesn't make any sense. How does that differ from stealing? Seriously. I mean, if somebody passes away and you go into their house and you take stuff from them, how is that not stealing? And if the bank does it, then it's okay? That's just one of the weirdest things that I've heard today. And I saw that it was trending online, and a lot of people, you know, talking about it, and there's articles out online about it. And I haven't gotten really deep into it, but that's just my quick thought on that matter, where if the money is put into that account by you and it's your money, no matter what happens, the state, the bank, no one should have the right to take that money. There's always somebody else closer to you that could benefit from that money before the bank or the state. And the bank benefits from that money anyway. If it's sitting in the account, what do you think, it's just sitting there? No, they're using it. They're investing with it. They're making money with your money. That's how banks work. And a lot of people don't seem to know that. Your money is not just sitting in a bank because you put it in there. That's why when you go for withdrawals, and they're larger withdrawals, they don't have the money on site for you. It's, I don't know, whatever. But that's just my thoughts on Bank of America. And, you know, I don't know if it's going on with other banks and how everything looks with those kinds of things in other banks. But, you know, something I'll do a deeper research into it, and I'll get back to you guys with another video, and we'll talk about it.